What is impunity's impact on victim redress under IHL? Imagine suffering through a war crime or serious violation and feeling like no one is listening or will be held accountable. That's what impunity is all about, when those responsible escape justice. In the world of International Humanitarian Law, or IHL, impunity can cause serious harm to victims trying to get justice. It makes it harder for victims to get the recognition, compensation, and truth they deserve. When violations go unpunished, it weakens the entire system meant to protect civilians during conflicts. Victim redress under IHL involves giving those harmed proper remedies like reparations, returning stolen property, or ensuring they are protected from future harm. The Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols set clear rules for states to investigate violations, prosecute offenders, and provide reparations. But when impunity takes hold, these rules are ignored or not enforced. Victims are left without justice or compensation, which is a big problem. One major effect of impunity is the denial of justice and reparations. Victims cannot get official recognition of their suffering or receive compensation like money or medical help. This leaves them feeling ignored and their suffering unacknowledged. Another issue is the right to truth. When perpetrators are protected or their crimes are hidden, victims and society don't learn what really happened. This lack of truth can make it harder to prevent future violations. Impunity also causes victims to feel re-victimized. When no one is held accountable, victims may think their suffering doesn't matter. This can discourage them from participating in justice processes and deepen their trauma. It also weakens deterrence, meaning violators might think they can get away with crimes again. This leads to more violence and suffering for civilians. Furthermore, impunity damages trust in institutions like courts and governments. When people see that laws aren't enforced, they lose faith in the justice system. This can hinder peace-building efforts after conflicts. To fight impunity, states and international bodies need to remove legal shields like amnesties or pardons that protect perpetrators. International courts like the International Criminal Court play a key role, but they need cooperation from states. In the end, impunity directly harms the core goals of international humanitarian law. It denies victims the justice they deserve, weakens legal protections, and allows cycles of violence to continue. Addressing impunity is vital to ensuring victims get redress, enforcing the laws of war, and building a safer, more just world.